heading into Hugh, which is like the largest population here in Scilly. Last night was amazing. We had bioluminescent plankton next to the boat, and the stars were just crazy. It was just, the sky was literally lit up by millions and millions of stars. So yeah, we're loving it so far. Later on we're going to go to Tresco Flats, which will be hopefully crystal clear water. I'm sup dinghying now, standing up while Nadiana's doing the work. This is the new thing, not sup boarding, sup dinghying. No. Get your wife to row.
Yeah, sup wiping.
That's so clear.
Instead of getting £3 for 12 onion rings in the restaurant, we got £1.20 for a big bag of frozen onion rings. And then make it ourselves. Even my mom says I'm stingy. But well, at least we can have a feast. We're island hopping. Oh yeah. I don't think.
Yacht crossing our path. Can you move out of the way, please? Thank you. Over.
They moved out. Japanese.
We are approaching Nut Rock, which is over here. We're going to go into some very shallow water. It's going to be fantastic.
Whoa. I'm on the lookout for big rocks, and all I see is big kelp. Big wave coming. Whoa. First time seeing our anchor. It's so nice out here. Just missing the families. Wish they would be with us. Baba, mama, granny.
What you doing?
Cooking celery beef. Whoa.
Celery beef. Xiaomi La Nu Road.
This is Lao Nai Yang Yu, grandma to go. It's like
Grandma potato.
yeah. It's like a Chinese version of mashed potato. Just fry it with chili flakes and salt. Super easy.
We made it, guys. We made it. We're just gonna stay here now for forever. Thanks for watching. See you later. Just exploring Briar, and it's beautiful. proper. It smells like childhood holidays in Devon, which were the greatest times of my life. So it's good. Woohoo, trusty. I'm shooting. Yeah, that'll be me tomorrow. That's great. Bennett's boatyard on Brea.
Hello everybody. Now we're in the rainforest in Brazil. We made really fast progress.
To the bone, to the bay.
Thanks for your coffees.
Welcome to Brazil.
How long is it for the train?
Alright, we're going to dry out soon. That means that I'm going to be able to find some cockles and clams in the sand, hopefully. You need to be a bit less aggressive.
Okay. Oh, so clear.
Alright, we've dried out nicely and there's loads of huge clams. So we're gonna get loads. Let's have a look. Big boys. Burn it! Baby, you got everything.
Today's sheep sunbathing day. Have a look on the map. Rowing into Trasco. Crab in coma.
Paradise is over. It's getting windy and rainy. I have to say, this is probably the best anchorage ever.
真的吗？
Yeah.
没有，我不觉得。
Yeah, it's really windy.
但是还是很
We're
摇。
No, we're not moving around much at all.
就是摇，摇到我想吐。
You just sound too. Right. You ruined my vlog then.
I know, exactly. How is that gonna work?
Well,
Think about it.
No,
Why is that not okay? Why is it okay if I
I'm
speak
joking.
Chinese and you talk English?
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, why is it okay that you speak English and then I say Chinese and then it's not okay?
It's
Okay.
fine.
¿Por qué?
You speak Chinese then?
¿Por qué no?
No Spanish.
Quiero hablar
You don't even know what
español.
Spanish for onion is. Oniana.
No.
It is. It's Oniana. Check it.
Mierda.
Mierda.
Mierda is
Shit. Yeah.
Bien.
So yeah, I can
Muy
speak
bien.
Chinese, English, Spanish, French, Australian, American, all the languages. It's been, yeah. Anyway, we're setting up for a cozy night in Green Bay, and it's raining. It's going to be a little bit cloudy tomorrow, and then the sun's going to come out in a couple of days.
Mierdas!
Nadiana's trying to be crazy. She's ruining my vlog again. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I just blew you a kiss. I know it's like 99% male who watch this. We've got the Google Analytics, so sweet dreams, guys. Thanks to everyone who supported us by commenting on the videos, liking, giving us loads of great advice. We're just off now to upload the video, and we're going to try and get 2 videos uploaded. We usually schedule the videos, so we're not actually where we are in the time that the video is uploaded, if that makes sense. So they might be a bit out of sync. But recently, over the last couple of days, we had some really big pieces of support through our coffee page, and yeah, your support has not gone unnoticed. It's really, 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 really amazing of you to do this. We never thought that anyone would give us anything, and then for people to support us and to say keep going, and don't buy a camper van. I kind of said that in jest, so don't worry, we're not going to buy a camper van. We're still floating, we're not driving just yet. We're going to release a video, I think, pretty soon about our plans over the autumn time and the winter time, what we're going to do, so stay posted for that. Not sure which video this is going to go at the end of, but all the best. Thank you very much for sticking with us, watching and liking, commenting and supporting us through coffee.